let's talk about some more commands. So our next command would be add user. We will use this command in order to create a new account to our Kali. Okay, so to create a new user in Kali, we will use add user, right? So add user space the name of the user account. Let's say it would be Harry 5. Okay, so it's just a name and nothing else. So add user space Harry 5, hit enter. Okay, it will ask for the password, so let's do that. Let's say 111 would be the password. Okay, now it says full name for Harry 5. So Harry 5, hit enter. Room number, leave it blank, again blank, next, hit enter. It says, is this information correct? Yes. Okay, so the user has been created, right? Now suppose you haven't provided the password when you are creating the user. Okay, suppose you have left the password to blank and now you want to assign the password. Okay, so we will use the passwd command for that. So passwd Harry 5, hit enter. It says enter new Unix password. See, as we are logged in from the root user, so it never asks you for the password when you switch to a normal user. As you know, root user is the admin user in Linux which has all the powers. So whenever you logged in with the root user, you will able to see this hash sign. Okay, and whenever you try to log in with a standard user with limited powers, you will see a dollar sign instead of hash, right? So the new password would be 222, hit enter. Again 222, hit enter. It says password updated successfully, right? So we have learned about add user and passwd. Now let's see how we can log in to the other user. For example, if you want to switch from one user to another, we will use the su command, that is switch user space followed by the user we want to switch to. Let's say Harry 5, hit enter, and see here Harry 5 @Kali instead of root, right? Also you will able to see the dollar sign here which says the user you have logged in from has limited power in this system. Okay, now each user has its separate directory. For example, for root we have /root, right? So for Harry we have /home Harry. Okay, so cd space /home/Harry 5. Okay, hit enter. Let's do ls, and there's nothing there because we have created a new user, right? And we haven't created any data inside this directory. So the home directory for Harry 5 would be /home/Harry 5, right? And for root it is /root. Okay, so let's switch back to root. See, it asks you for the password because if you are the root user, you will able to log into the standard user without any password. But if you try to log into the root, or if you try to switch to another standard user from one standard user, it will ask for the password. Okay, see, it says authentication failure because I have provided the wrong password here. Okay, so let's do it again. Switch to root and then the password. Okay, see, who am I? We use who am I command just to make sure that from which user we have logged into. Okay, so who am I? Root. So you have learned about add user, passwd, switch user, and who am I.